So for my first front post double crochet, I yarn over, insert my hook next to the post and around the post, and yarn over and pull that through, coming back up to the front for our front post double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So you can see how it makes it stand out there. Now I'm going to alternate my front post with a back post double crochet. Yarn over, I'm going to go around the back and push my hook through the back next to the post of the stitch. I'm going to go around the post, back, yarn over, pull through and up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, I'm going to alternate those front and back post stitches a couple times so you can see it. The next one will be a front post. Yarn over, insert from the front to the back, yarn over, pull up and through, complete your double crochet. Back post stitch, yarn over, go from the back across the post, around it, yarn over, pull around it, and there you have front post, back post, front post, back post. And when you flip, those back posts look the same as a front post. This creates a really nice ribbing front post here. You can use it on hats, sweaters, it can be decorative. I really like post stitches. And when I turn, you can see how nice it is there. Alright, so if you are working a ribbing, it's going to be really easy to work your post stitches now. Front post, from the front to the back, back post, from the back to the front. There we go. It becomes easier when you're working front post and back post into front post, back post. And that's how you do front post, back post ribbing. I hope it was helpful.